Hi, welcome to Qigong. We're going to do a color therapy video today for you. This is something I personalized for me, so go ahead and bring yourself into a standing position. Knees are slightly bent, that tucks the tailbone down. You'll feel your tongue can go behind the two front teeth. And just rest in this position for a moment. If you can, close your eyes and imagine and bring in towards you what color you need today for you, for complete healing and health. And allow that color to get closer to you and wash all through you and around you as you breathe it in. And now let's take the hands up into the air. Use your fingers long. Bring that color in as though you're going to scoop it up from the sky, that whole color, and bring it down and wash it through your body. Wash it all through your body. Wash it down. Fully bathed in that color. And now I want you to imagine the color you need today for growth and begin to see that color. The color you need for growth, communication, helping others, being available. What color is appearing? And let's reach out and grab that color. So we're going to open our arms up. Imagine you can grab all that color and bring it down and wash the brightest color of that through you, letting you absorb it for growth and healing. And now we're going to begin to think of the color that the heart needs today. What does your heart need today? What color? What color is your heart saying for compassion, love, openness, receptivity? Let's wash that color all over us. Imagine you're scooping it out of the universe, and then you're going to bring it right down to your heart and let it wash through your heart and all your body. Love, compassion, kindness, giving, all washing through you now. Now our last color is going to be for our energy and our excitement today. So I want you to imagine that color coming towards you and embracing you. Breathing it in. Feeling that color that's coming towards you for your excitement, your creative expression today. And scoop it out of the air. Big scoop. Ooh, rake it down and bring it down. You want all of that energy today. Feel it pouring through your body, rejuvenating every part of you. And then just breathe. Feeling all four of those colors in your body now. Feeling how your spine is long and straight. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me.